This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Good evening, guys. Let's see if we can find a trade. That would be pretty impressive because the markets look like they're pretty dead. We're back to quiet volatility, 5.09. I'm curious to see what gold did. Gold was having a meltdown today. Coffee's good. So let's get all my screens and charts up. See if we have anything interesting going on, or we're just going to be watching paint dry again tonight. Ninja Trader, let's get Ninja Trader open. Let's go send out a little shout out on the Discord. General, is that it? I don't even know what day it is. I'm going to go with Tuesday. They all blend into each other. Serious. Disable. Looks like it's working. On about top step. Hey, did anybody hear that Top Step said they're going to, what was the word they use? Disqualify or cancel. Cancel all trades from Monday. All winning trades, all losing trades. And there was an alleged rumor someone made like $75,000 in gold. Well, if that guy made $75,000 in gold on Monday, I think it was trading a 6 lot on GC. Then I don't want to think about what he made today. What's going on here? Why are you having a heart attack? What's your setting? 12, that should be fine. Anytime you want. Settle down. Okay, let me open up the chat. Screen number 700. Hey, Omnius, muted. LOL. I don't even know. I didn't even check yet. No, looks good. Looks good. I don't have my screen. The double board, if you're still there, I don't even know if you're still there. The double board is proving to be not too difficult, but he's not working out. There's too many errors. The balls aren't doing what they're supposed to do. Okay, that's settled in there. YM, I don't know. I think I'd rather watch gold. I'm going to change the YM chart to gold. Probably I'm going to regret it. Yeah, I'm going to keep YM. I always make these decisions for action, and then I'm sorry I did it. I think for me, gold has to be something that I trade small on, maybe on evals until I get a handle of it. It's not an easy market to trade. Oh, that's what that is. It's Halloween stuff. Okay, where are we going? Where is my volume? Volume is up. $48.52. What are my balances in Bulenox? I don't even know. How do I find that out? Where do I get a big... Oh, there's a big accounts page. Really? That's it? That sucks. Well, at least I got two in Apex that are close to getting payouts. Hopefully we'll get those up and running. Reactions. Let's see if Deal Me In is working. I didn't do the sound test. That's perfect. Okay, let's see what we got going. I have nothing over there. I could potentially take a short if we see. What else do I got? Not much on the 1 minute. 7 Renko is what I was looking at. If we get a down bar over here, I can take it. Where's my gold chart? I do have a gold chart. It's 32,000. So yeah, there we go. Low volume. Back to the quiet days. Gold. Wow, 40.55. So now we get to see what the entire range was. How do you go from 4? That's 10% in one day. What chart do I sacrifice? I need that. I sacrifice the 4-hour or the daily chart? I think I'm going to sacrifice the daily chart. What is the range in gold? Let's put up a minute chart. 30 minutes. Let's see. What did we hit? We hit a high of approximately 43.90 and a low of 40.90, so $300. And now we're at 41.41. We already have $100 range in gold just tonight. Man, just sell it. Seriously. Definitely. I really do think it is. I'm not sure I have the balls to trade it because it's really moving fast. I never seen it like this. It is funny. Oh, fuck off. I'm going to take one long here. I got one long at, I don't even know where, but I'm already up $40. Fuck, but the problem is it can go against you so fast. Take it. Fuck off. 42 bucks. 42 bucks in 2 seconds on one micro. Came back down. Should I try again? Came back to my entry price. I'm not going to try again unless I get a bullish candle. Not going against the move. I have to see some momentum. There we go. That was another quick $20, up 61. I'm good with that. I'm not going to ask for too much. It's too fast. It's too fast even for my liking. Seriously. We got to get it up. Where do we got to get up gold? We're sorry, we have to get up a gold chart. Fuck MES and the 5-minute. To hell with you. Skata, as Joker would know what that means. Okay, so MGC. That's step one. Wow, look at it go. It's a good thing that I made money on the long. Go figure, eh? I shouldn't be going long. Wow, look at the dump. This is definitely going to touch 4,000. Not that I have a crystal ball, but where's the donkey? I just wanted to chase. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, next, I need to set this to a Renko chart. Renko. Next step, I need to change it to 1 second. There's no way I'm waiting 5 seconds. Now I need to figure out, we're not having $7 bars, but here's the problem. I don't think I can do partials. I don't think I can do 0.5. Let's just see. 0.5, traditional. Okay, it accepted it. I need my bands, you know me and my bands, 30 high, low. Yeah, that's good. So let's get those up. See, that would be a good thing if I could set, oh, wow, it's way too fast. But let me just see, hold on, 1 step at a time. Gold's not going anywhere. Okay, 5, it accepted 5. But we're not going to use 5. We're going to use 1. 1. Probably 1's too low. I would need a 1-minute chart to see what the volatility is. Right now it's $17 per minute. $17. I'm sorry, I don't want to be what's that word? Sensationalist, but $17 per minute on the ATR. 1? No, 1 is not acceptable. That's way too low. Even 2 is low. The reaction time isn't going to be, let's get the bands up. Well, I don't know. I mean, all I want to say is if you can trade this well and you're willing to take some chances, you can make a lot of money. There we go. Okay, we're watching gold there on the bottom. You want to see the difference? Let me show you 6 o'clock. Since 6 o'clock, that's NQ. I guess it has to do with the amount of bars, right? It's like you can't say it's relative. Anyways, that's NQ, and this is gold since 6 o'clock. Hold on, let's find the 6 o'clock thing. There we go. A little bit of a difference, eh? 2 is too small. I gotta make it bigger. I gotta wash out those things there. Let's try 3. Wow, that's $6. There we go. 3 looks a little bit more intelligent. 3 on 17. What is that? That's 1/6. That's kind of like using 7 on my right side NQ chart when the volatility is 60 points on the 1 minute. Volatility is usually, let's say, 16. I'm 1/2, 17. It should be 8. I can't do 8. That's $160 for one trade. 5? That's $100. Nah. Not. Let's go and see something, guys. I gotta go see something. This really is, this is greater volatility than FOMC and NFP combined. Last time I saw volatility like this was when the first day, I remember when Russia invaded Ukraine, the volatility on the NQ went nuts. Well, that sucks. What am I doing? Oh, yes, I know what I'm doing. Yeah. Wow. Shit, really? Whew. Okay. Hey. Omnius, are you there? Are you still around? I want to do a test. You're the only one I can ask. Yeah, no. You want to let me know when you're back? Maybe. We're getting there. You want to go on Bulenox? Pretend you want to buy a car. Pretend you want to buy an account, and use the code FLOOR. See if it works. Here's why I say that. It's because I don't have my code in right now. I have the code for the 83%, but now it's changed to 75%. And what I'm curious is, do we really have to change our code? Like, go and enter in the code and see if you still get the 75% discount. If you do, then we never really have to change the code. We're just not wasting our time, but maybe wasting our time. If you know what I mean. 53. Oops, almost bought the wrong one. Is not working. I remember the day in the market where what's not working, Skeletor? The code won't work? Fuck, I missed the gold trade. Played a donkey. I chased. I checked this morning, don't see it was working, the code. Okay, code don't work. Okay. I was hoping we wouldn't have to check on a daily basis. They're so stupid. They're the only ones that do this. Seriously. When is it? Until 11:07? But then they're going to change it in 2 days. Why was I at Bulenox? Oh, yeah. Wanted to take advantage of the gold. Okay, gold's moving way too fast. Way too fast. Way too fast. Way too fast. I don't know. Why would they need to get me to go to the site? It's not like I'm going to do anything there. It's not like I'm going to go shopping. I'm just going there to change my code. Well, I'm not I'm not using limit orders in gold. Go fuck yourself. No fucking way. I'm going to use a limit order. I'm not going to get filled, and I'm going to lose $100. Trying to save $1. What is the spread actually in gold now? Can I even see it? No, I would have to put it up. Oh, no. Hold on. Order. Let's go to the order block here and change it to gold. We can see it here clearly. MGC. What is the spread in gold? I'm very curious. It's usually at 10 cents, 20 cents. Now it's 20 to 50 cents. I'm sorry, I can't let this go. But I don't want to be reckless, so Omnius login. I'm getting a day trader's account. I will try to put in your code. Not sure if it's going to work. I'm curious to see. I gotta learn discipline around this one here. You know what? They don't have a time limit, so I'm going to coupon code. It says DT. Let's try Omnius. Omnius, where are you, Omnius? Why wouldn't it work? Do you know how it's spelled? Is it capital O, all capital letters? Because the coupon code that they have in there for me automatically right now is all capital. Maybe if I go look at one of your old streams or your most recent stream, maybe it's up there. Should be up there, right? Streamers, Omnius. Let's go check it out. Boom, 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 boom. 6 days ago. I remember 6 days ago. Those were the good old days. Oh, close the speaker. There's music. There we go. No, don't have. I'll kill you. I'll kill you. Whew. Thank God. I was not in the mood for dealing with one of those things. Hey, we have a trade in NQ, a short. I can take that if I get a better price. We'll watch it. Maybe I'll get lucky. Look at that. I have to do the work to get his code. He can't even look for me. Bulenox, day traders, code Omnius. He's showing it in lowercase. Copy. Comes with a full license of Quad Tower. Are you kidding me? I'm getting 5. Omnius. No, I got an X. The check mark went away. It says, I'm joking. Why can't you type the code in? You would type it in the chat. You would type the word Omnius. It worked. It worked. It worked. It's there. There's a check mark. Next. Does it save my card number? No, it doesn't. Okay, we have a problem. Houston, we have a problem, but I know how to solve it. I don't want to open up my file with my card number. It's on the, yeah, I got it. I'll be back in a minute. I am just fixing some settings. Nobody go anywhere. I'm still here. Well, if only we could copy... if only I could copy my layout onto... shit. You see? The trade hit target. Look, all of them to the downside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All of them hit target. I'm still here. Join us on Discord. Oh, it's true. I forgot to go back to my scene. Okay, so let's see if I can get that up and running. Maybe I can pass an account in. I'm curious. You know why I'm curious? In what? Not in a day, but maybe in 2 days. Who knows? Maybe even in a day. I'm curious to see if I can control the volatility, kind of like taming a wild horse. I know my mistakes. I'm ready to not make them. So let's see if I can get up running, but I need to create the layout. Okay. It's your job, Omnius, to make sure. 1, I trade with the trend. No counter trend trading. 2, I take my stops. 3, no telling me I'm a grown man. I can take care of myself. No, this really is a once in a rare moment opportunity. I mean, it happens. What was number 2? I don't remember. That's how you get out of it. You ask me what it was that you have to do. I don't know. I don't remember anymore. It's gone. Oh, make sure I go with the trend. If I tell you, fuck, I went against the trend, I expect you to say, get out now. And I'm going to say, really? And you're going to say, yeah, you got to get out. And the stops, definitely. You got to take your stops. You cannot hang on and say, and hope it comes back. And keep the trade small. You don't have to trade big. Don't have to do it in one trade. The volatility is smashingly big. Okay, let's see if I could log in yet. Did they set the account up? Okay, it's working. I'm in. So... what do I got to do? We don't need that. GC. Enter. What is the setting? 1 second. Settings. Nope, didn't work. Why is it not working? Settings. Hey, let's just out of curiosity, let's put it to 1 minute. Now that we know that it's $17, let's put it to 1 minute and see. Let's go to 1 minute. And let me set it to ATR and see what it gives. It gives me 2.8. 2.8. It gives me about $4 or $5. Oh, wait, I don't know if it loaded yet. I don't think, it's moving. It gives me about, yeah, give me about $4 or $5. Hard to see. Where's the data box on this? Where's the low high? Is there a data box? Remove indicators, hide marks, settings, move chart. I know there's a data box somewhere. There's got to be a way to open up the data box, but I'm not familiar with TradingView. Where are you? You still there? You'll never chase again. I will never chase again. No, really, seriously. How do you open up the data box in TradingView so that you see the data of the where your cursor is on? You know that candle there? There's got to be a way. There's got to be one. Market buy, market sell, reset chart view, copy price, move chart, no, object tree, hide marks and settings. Really? There's no data box? Ruler, maybe on the side? Zoom in, magnet. Anybody know what magnet is? Lock all drawings, hide all drawings. Click on chart, hold it down. Hold what down? Hold the chart down? Hold it down. Nope, not working. If I click on the chart and I hold it down, nothing's happening. Here, let me try over here. Here, I'm on the chart. Can you see? Let me see. I'm going to wait. There you go. I click and I'm holding. I'm clicking and I'm holding. Nothing's happening. I'm right-clicking and I'm holding. Nothing's happening. Now when I let go, I got this. I think there's a way to see it on the top somewhere. Maybe, no, status line. Open, high, low, close values. Okay, status line. We'll see it on, we'll put it up on the status line. Okay, there we go. So let's see. Over here, high and low is 56.53, which is correct. It's $3. And if I use ATR 1 minute, settings, symbol, status line, open, high, low, close values. It's 2.8. Wow. Why would they only give you 2.8 as the ATR when it's 17? Anyways, I don't need to figure it out. Settings. Let me go back. Symbol. Traditional. 3. Fuck, that's high. 3. I'm going to 2. I hope the volatility is going to go down. I need a 1 minute chart. I need to track if this is, if the volatility is going down. This is going to be really volatility based. Yeah, it's down a lot. It's down to 9. It was at 17 before. Down to 9. Okay, so I'm good with 2. 2. Let's make it 1 second. And let the games begin. What do we got? We got Renko, we got that. You know what? I'm going to open up a third chart for only one reason. MGC2. That way I can compress it properly and you guys can see without me changing my scene, because I'm not in the mood to work on this scene and then have to fix it again tomorrow. So we'll just change this to MNQ. We go settings, traditional, 7, okay. And now I just drag this in. There we are. There we go. You got both of them. And we have a gold trade. Boom. MGC, hurry up. Z. We're going to do a one lot. Hey, are we going to miss a loss? A 2 doesn't look like it's a good number. I prefer 1. Let's see 1. Can I do 1.5? I want to do 1.5. And I missed a losing trade. Perfect. 1.5. How about a compromise? Ooh, no, it's a little fast. 1.5. What's 3 doing? Where did I have 3? I had 3 somewhere. Oh, on my other chart. Let me see what it looks like again. Minimize. Yeah, here was 3. I think we'll go with 3. Settings. How about 2.5? That's $50. I'm going to go with 2. There's a loser there, a loser there, a loser there. 3's not doing that. 3 seems to be more dialed in. 3 it is. Okay, so you see the NQ on the left and the gold on the right. I should put gold. I'm sorry. My brain thinks that gold should be on the left. NQ is always the primary chart for me. Okay, well, gold's going to be crazy tomorrow. So like I said, we don't have to rush. We got to make, how about we set a target of, you know, like $200 a session or something, which is almost impossible anyways because of the way it's moving. Okay, there we go. We got them both. Move this here. Tighten it up. Hit the A. Okay, we're ready to go. What do I want? Maybe I'm gonna want uh how is that possible? Where did I make a mistake? This is definitely not the 200. Oh, that's why. So why is it? Ah, no. What? 100. High. Plot. Let's make it yellow. Okay. Why is it not showing? Oh, that's why. Moron. Not enough data. There we go. $100 on the high, EMA, style, yellow, boom, boom. Inputs, 100 on the high, 1 EMA 9, 100 on the low, 100 EMA 9. There we go. Okay, so now we have a medium term and a short term band. We're all ready to go. MGC on top, one lot. Okay. Plus I have this chart over there. We're long. And gold is even long on the 1 minute. Coming up to the previous day's low, though. That could be why we're kind of stalling out. We're above VWAP. And we are, that's it, above VWAP. Previous day's low, we can see a bounce on that. Order filled. I'm always allowed one add if you see yellow at the top of the bar. We're going to only do one lots. We don't want to get in trouble. And we got a trade in NQ. You know what's one thing that's really bad about, shit, I would go short in NQ. What's really bad about TradingView or Project X, I can't click on the chart and it changes the symbol. I actually have to change the symbol in the order box. And if so, you say, well, okay, put up 2 order boxes. If I put up 2 order boxes and I change the symbol, it changes it in both, I think. Turned white. Got to get out. First one's a loser. Let's try that. Let's get up another order box in the meantime. Take a break. Order. Let's see if I can get a separate order box. Oh, no. You can have separate order boxes. Okay, I didn't know. I thought if you changed one, it changed the other. So MNQ should be on the top. Always the primary. MNQ, MNQ. And that's good. And this order box will be MGC. Make sure it's a 1 lot. Now what would be cool is, why do I have the gear here, but no gear here? Wow, that's the smallest font size. So I can't even fit 2 order boxes with all the buttons on one screen. Again, another stupidity. Okay, so what do we got? What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? We got NQ, but NQ's not going anywhere. I'm going to focus on gold. I don't know what these mean. Side by side. No, I don't want it side by side. I want it inside. Let me close it. You got the 2 screens. Okay, so gold's really gone to sleep now. And so really it stopped me out and went right back down. Ah, there we go. That's what I wanted. MGC. Number of contracts, 1. Order, MNQ. Number of contracts, 1. Order, MGC. And the only thing I need after that is accounts. How did I do it? Oh, here, I think, in the middle. Accounts. Okay. Daily P&L, minus 69. Okay, close. Perfect. We're ready to go. Oh, look what's... There we go. Full screen. Well, it should be. I have a bad entry price. I need these things a little bit bigger. Maybe not. Oh, yeah, I do. I can't access my other... I missed my profit. What order failed? Fuck off. I missed my profit in gold. Trying to figure out how do you grab this slider here. What the fuck's going on? Everything's all screwed up. Okay, gold. Join the ask. Okay, we're out of gold. Here. Close position. I don't even know. How did this become loose? Now what? Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Now I got a thing that's floating around in La La Land. Oh, maybe I could... no, I don't want it there. How did that happen? How do I put it back on? Nope. Where are my charts? Now my charts disappeared. At least I don't have a trade. Ah! I don't know. Okay, what if I get rid of all this? Oh, there's my chart. Okay, we've got the chart back. Well, let's start again. Orders. Here? No. Here? Yes. Orders. Here? Yes. Positions. Here. Okay, we're back up and running. This closes. I'll fix it. I'll fix it. I'll fix it. I'll fix it. Order. I need this to be a little bit bigger, unfortunately. I have to be able to access, or you know what? Why don't I just get rid of positions? Still, you're not going to show me the two? That sucks. That sucks. That's not good layout. Q's trading lower. We did get up to 4,100. Yay. Well, another Target NQ trade. Target, I wasn't in it. Let me see. What is 14 divided by 4? Yeah, thanks, Mike. Calculator. .28. Well, let's see if we can get back to 4101. I'm going to put in a sell stop over here. A little bit lower, but I'm going to put in a sell stop. With the join bid, join the S just in case. If it turns red, I can get out at a better price. That just put me into a short. That's cool. That's $20 given back after being stopped out. What was the number? Two 33. What's 33% of 14? What? Really? 233. 14 times 0.33. Okay. Do it is. So gold's gone quiet since 8:30, 8:37. We've got into VWAP and the previous day's low, and we've gone to sleep. I'm just trading sideways. I know what I can do. 1, 2, 3. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. So let's just make sure we have everything where I want it. Over here is going to be MNQ. And settings, 7. I lost all my, there's no way to save a chart template, seriously. Let's GPT it, because I'm losing my time here recreating my charts all the time. Can you save a simple chart template in TradingView? Not the layout, just the chart setup. A single chart setup. Is there a setting to save that? You can't directly save a chart template. Indicators, colors, and settings. Okay, set up your chart the way you like. In the indicator settings panel. Oh, I don't have settings in my indicator settings panel. How about settings panel? Click on templates. Choose save indicator template. No, I don't think they give that to me. I think that's one of the okay, whatever. Figure it out another time. 7, 1. It is what it is. There we go. NQ. NQ. Candlesticks. 9 o'clock. 1 minute. Of course, the ones with the EMAs that I need are on the wrong chart. And gold. No, we got down quite a bit, eh? Bounce. Yeah, we traded lower while I was fighting with my charts. And down here, let's get a gold MGC. Candles. Let's put up a 5-minute chart. Did I get two better? No, I was supposed to get two better. 81. Okay, today's practice day for tomorrow. Let's look at it that way. There we go. Hey, Spark. We know what we have to do. We have to get 2 points better. $100 high. EMA style. Orange second. Orange second inputs. 100 low offset EMA. Okay, we got our chart, saved the layout. We're good to go. I got a 5-minute chart to reference. Not only did we hit the low there, but looks like there was a little bit of a trend line or a support over there. Let's do a horizontal line. Oh no. Sorry, I was wrong. The low was at 41.04, but I would say this is kind of where we popped and we traded through it, so I could definitely see that acting as resistance. Look at NQ, 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2. Not a good trade. Get out of it. Chase. That was a chase. Wow. Well, coming up to that level there, I wouldn't be surprised if we sell, but I'm not going to go up to 19 and risk it. It's funny. Got up to 13. Can a support or resistance trade ever work for me? They work like half the time. And every time I click it, I struggle with it. It's going to pop right through, huh? What enough? It's crazy, fuck. Okay, well, we bounced off that level a bunch of times, so if we come back to it, I should assume it's going to be a good trade.
That's an optimistic assumption. It's common.
Oh, shut up. Is my mic off?
Decision, really.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Or business negotiations, it's usually wiser to evaluate the potential downsides and risks rather than
Oh, that was easy. Yeah, now. 16, 1, gold. 18, a little bit better. That was a good entry, finally. Not surprised that brought me green. See, all you gotta do, hey, Omnius, all you gotta do is wait for the good entries. Stop being stupid. Sniper entries. I'll change the name of my channel to Sniper Entries. Remind myself all the time. I'm up a big $14. So much for passing the account, huh? In 2 days. But anyways, the volatility died. We're down to 9 points, the ATR. Okay, so where's the entry? The entry's at 22, and I am filled at 20. Another good entry. Excellent. 2 points. 2 points better is good. Fuck you. That's true. I think this firm also has end of day drawdown, eh? So I can try to take advantage of that, try to get a little bit of a boost. Let's just add a little bit there. Get ready to buy back again at 20. Should it come down? 23 bid, 24. We'll watch it. In the meantime, settings, canvas. No? Symbol? No? Status? Getting a headache. Okay, we blew right through the support or the resistance. The resistance that used to be support, but you can see on the 5-minute chart. And not only that, but we blew through it like a hot knife through butter. But the good news is I'm better organized now. Took a while, but got everything set up. Hey, good evening, Mike. I don't remember if I asked But are you trading gold in this craziness? I think I was just telling Omnius, I think this is like a once in a, well, I won't say once in a lifetime, obviously not. Once in a blue moon opportunity. $22 plus 6 is 28. Let me see if I can get in at 26, 26,654. That's good enough. That's an excellent, another excellent entry on gold. Win or lose, it's a phenomenal entry. It's quite a bit lower on that first bullish candle. That means my loss is less. Yeah, my loss is less. My gains are bigger. I can get out here, and that's a full bar there. Come on, push. Go up to 30. I'll take whatever you give me. I'll take whatever you give me. I have been. Good evening. Yeah, I have to participate in this. 26, I can get back in at 26. Look how beautiful that was. I took out a bar, and now I'm back in the middle, and you can't complain about that. That's almost a bar right there. Thank you. I'll take another one. If it goes back down to 26, I'll do it again. Rinse and repeat. It's an excellent entry. An excellent entry is an excellent entry. Even if you're presented with that opportunity 4 times, 5 times, 1 time. Excellent entries are excellent entries because your risk is lower and your potential gain is larger. 27.5, 29. And every time I do shitty entries and I chase and I'm late, I struggle. We'll watch. Okay, so I'm up 100 already. I said 100 per session. 100, 200 per session, trading 1 lot. I think that's good. I'm going to focus on that. With this kind of volatility, I'll accept that. Patience. Got to be patient. Wait for the setup. When you get the setup, wait for a good entry. Where is my little... I know it was here. Ah, there you are. Okay, gold came down. Well, and we're, oh, well, it went up for 2 bars. Okay. I was going to say another 26 entry, but no. Nope. But I have a potential band bounce trade. Oh, I should enter right here. Okay, good. That's how it's finished. $22, long at 22. Let me see if I can get filled at 20. Or even better. Actually, I'm going to pass on this one. I'm not liking it. And the reason why is because the band bounce showing a short. And this one is showing a long. Oh, wait a minute. We do have this level here, right? Oh, okay. No, that's at like 14 or something. What do you think about that line there? Like at 41.12, where we had quite a bit of support in the day session yesterday, or today's session, and we just blew right through it, man. Oh, I hope I don't regret taking this trade. Fuck off, give me 30 bucks. I'll take an insta 30 bucks. That was fun and fast. Yeah, the chart on the bottom left corner, that's 420 again. 419.6. Let's see if I can get filled at 419.6. We're filled at 419.6. Okay, another 20. Wow. I should have offered out. Oh, well, look at that. Well, let's see what happens now at this level again. Long at 06. Gold. Ah, shit. That would have been a quick one for me. Okay, take my hand off the mouse. I missed it. So, 06, really? You got in before that line? Or did you get an opportunity to? No, you'd have to get in before there. Wow, that was a brave trade, I think. Oh, okay. I thought you were in already. Again, I mean, I'm just basing it on the 5-minute chart over here. That's on the bottom left, that line. I was kind of looking at it. I'm not a fan of using previous support as resistance. I prefer to look at places where price actually pushed lower. So for me, this is resistance, because we kind of hesitated and traded lower off this level a few times. Nothing significant, but for me, that makes more sense as a resistance up there, not the support. 41, 42 area. Everything is rigged. The world is rigged. Okay, we got over the, that's long, that's long. This is long. Well, I'm doing much better now that it's a simulation. Yeah, I was talking to my son about that. Forgot what I was saying. Oh, yeah, now that I'm being more selective on my entries, I'm doing a lot better. Which is what I should be. You know what? It's better to take one good trade than to take 3 sloppy trades. Really. When I take the sloppy trades, I'm just break even. I'm now up 124. Shit. Tomorrow's going to be or would have been a good day. I got to go to the doctor. Colin. Oh my goodness. Look at you. You're back. That is too funny. You guys want to know what I'm laughing at? There was a little spider on my monitor. I'm not big on killing bugs. You know, they're alive. When you go to kill them, they run away. They know that they have an instinct to survive. They're not insignificant, you know. So there was one on my monitor. I said to GPT, there's a bug on my monitor. I need my monitor. A bug. It's a spider, but it's a little baby one. He's, you know, said, okay, leave it alone. It's not going to bother you. I said, okay, I left it alone. Just ran across. This was a few days ago, mind you. It just ran across my monitor again. That's why I was laughing. I said, ah, look who's back. Anyways, he's so small. I mean, if you're talking small, small. I don't know how I can describe how small he is, but he's small. I'm going to get a long over there, and I'm going to get a short on the other chart. And we're... you know what? I'm going to draw in those 2 lines, actually. So I guess we kind of want to get away from both of them. This one I'll put about there. I mean, doesn't matter. I'm scalping. But still, I like to know where we are. I like to have a visual. Not a big one, but a little bird's eye view. What do we got for the ATR? 7, which on gold on the 1-minute chart, which is still insanely high. Okay, well, we're right on that line now, so I'm not taking a long or a short. Take my hand off the mouse. Oh, maybe no, wait. I can take a long. If we get a fill over there, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. If it triggers at 19 and then I can get in at around 17, I'll take that trade. Mm. Oh, can you see? Oh, almost, eh? Let me raise it a little bit more. There we go. You can see my day's P&L. There's only one account over here in this brokerage, or whatever you want to call it, prop firm. $9:30. I think this will be my last trade. We'll see what happens. Maybe even I'll call it quits. We're so close to triggering along, though. There we go. 19 triggered. I'm looking at the bid. I want to get in at 17. I want to get in $2 better. If I can get in $2 better, I take it. 18.3. Nope. 20. Triggered at 19. I want 17 something. Wow, volatility's down to 6. I can probably bring this down to 2 already. Let's take a look. Definitely, I think I could use 2. Two times 33. What's 2 times 0.33? Hey, Tiger. 2 times 0.33. 33 can't be only 66 cents. Oh, okay, it's $1.20. Sorry, it's not 2, it's 4 times 0.33. Okay, well, we missed that one. We bounced off the bottom line on the 5-minute. Let me open that up a little bit. But personally, I think no, that was support. It's true. From above, that is support. Yeah, from above, that is support. Okay, and if we're coming from above, that is support. And that is resistance. So I like those two. If we're between those lines, I like those 2 lines. Now, oh, we're getting a little pop in volatility again. What's up with you, Tiger, tonight? Anything? You just got on the screens now? Opened up your charts? What a dump, eh? We were talking about it before. It was a thing to see. Oh my God, yeah. I'm sure from a lot of people and a lot more. I'm sure a lot of people lost a lot of money, and I'm sure a lot of people made a lot of money, especially with today's action during the day. I think it's $300 range in gold today. Son was saying that on Monday someone made a $75,000 trade in Top Step with gold. I can only imagine today. $300. If you catch half of that, that's $150. You take one mini. A mini is 100 ounces. That's 15,000. Wow. A lot of money right now. I placed a trade and was going to put the stop loss in before I said it. The arrow went down. Yeah, there are some really quick moves. I wasn't going to trade it. I was just watching it, and I told Omnius, no, I'm going to trade it because I'm good with high volatility, but, excuse me, sometimes I make mistakes. Meaning, I take counter-trend trades, and I'm not a counter-trend trader. And I don't respect my stop, and I oversize. I said, you know what, if I can get those things under control, I can do really well. And I want to use this as a practice session, believe it or not. So I don't want to do it on my sim funded accounts or on my funded accounts. I want to do it on an eval. And I struggled in the beginning. I wasn't set up properly. It was up and down, but not a lot. I'm doing one micro, $30, down $50, up $40. And then I said, okay, Mike, follow your rules. Stop getting all excited. Stop chasing. And just do what you're supposed to do. Sit back, wait for the trigger, get a better price. And since then, I'm now up 124. So I said, you know what, if I can make about $100 to $200 per session, like 100 to 200 in the evening, 100 to 200 in the day session, that's not bad. As long as this volatility lasts, I'll be good with those numbers. I'm not going to try and pass the account in a day and take a 10 lot. But if this volatility continues for 5 days, I'll see what I can do in 5 days. Oh shit, it's true. I gotta remember, I gotta trade the Bulenox accounts tomorrow, all of them. I don't know which ones were traded. I don't need another abandonment, an abandonment letter. You've abandoned us. Okay, trading a little bit lower. Guys, hit the like button if you haven't had the chance to do that yet. I don't really know if it does anything, but in the odd chance that it does, let's see, if we get a little bit lower, I will think of taking one more. I want to take one more trade. Let's get a little bit lower, get a small retrace, and then continue lower. Let's get under that line there, 4112. Let's get down to, but then we got 4100 below us. Which could be the draw on price right now. Getting down there. Moving with a little bit of velocity. Got a little bit under 4100. Pops back up. Not surprised, but I kind of think we're still going to go back down. No. Try again. If we get a bearish candle. Okay. That was easy breezy. Oh, we got another one there, 4100. I'm going to see if I can get in at 4102 short. 4101, 4102. Go. Come on, come at me in. I don't mind losing on this one. I really don't. 19, 15, 18 is an excellent entry. But 10. No, don't go that way. I would have taken the 20 bucks. Let's go. Push it lower. Yeah, again, like I said, I don't mind losing, but I don't want to lose. Buy market just in case. You pecker, buy market. Oh well, can't win them all, right? We tried. Got back over 4100, so 4100 held. Selling right at 4100 wasn't a good idea, but I didn't. I mean, I sold at 4102. I got $2 better, but okay, so I'm still up 128. For the evening, I was up as much as 150 at the high water mark. I don't have to worry about that because there's no trailing drawdown on this account. That's fun. Kind of pushing higher a little aggressively here, eh? Headed for 4163. Let's go take a look at that on the 5-minute. Oh yeah, that's that's like the most conservative target, actually. It seems so far away, but you know, like, and I got normal gold in my mind, you know, $63. But this isn't normal gold. Fuck, 2 weeks ago, our target was $6 away. Now our target is $60 away. Isn't that crazy? Oh, 08, 4, 12, $1.50. That means I'm going to want to get in at 10.50 when 12 triggers. $11. Come on, let me see the 10. Push a little lower. 10.90. 10.87. Ooh, that was close. 10.7, not enough. I needed 10.5. Could have had $40 already. You couldn't go to 10.5, huh? Yes, it really is insane. But the people that can take advantage of it are going to clean up. Hey, what the hell is a mosquito in my house? I want to take a $20 risk. Problem is, things move fast sometimes. Might not be able to control it for $20. I'll take a small gain, 140. Little scalp. I think I'm going to call it here, guys. Close to my high water mark for the evening. I want to do a little coding now. So tomorrow I'm not here in the morning. If I am, maybe it'll be around 11 o'clock for about an hour. Maybe Wednesday night. Yeah. Yeah, take care. Thanks for hanging out, Tiger, a little bit. Mike Stunts, Mike, Omnius, Bama, if you're still around. And see you guys soon. Take care.